Stressful situations can be made worse if the legal advice isn't up to par. That's why it's crucial to find the best.
Civil litigation law requires a special type of legal help. Maybe you've fallen behind in your bills or an unexpected expense pops up. Here's what you need to know.
Hi, I'm Robert Vigh. I'm with Vigh Springer, and I'm a civil litigation attorney. I've been practicing for 28 years in Florida in state and federal courts. The areas of law that Vigh Springer cover are generally contract disputes. They can be transactional in nature, or they can be as part of litigation. Litigation is a dispute that's filed in court, a legal proceeding, and we represent individuals, corporations, partnerships in those types of disputes. Sometimes the opposing party is a consumer, and sometimes that party is not represented by an attorney. Special laws apply in that situation. The difference between civil law and criminal law is generally private parties' disputes in civil cases against other private parties. They can involve governments, but generally it's private parties. In criminal cases, a prosecutor brings the case on behalf of the government, state or federal, and there could be imprisonment, fines, or probation as the punishment. Our unique approach is to first engage with the other side in a non-adversarial way. The legal process is an adversarial process, but we go a different step. We take the additional step of developing a rapport with the adversary. We make smart disclosures. Some are required by law, but we make some additional disclosures to help manage expectations and show options that are available to the other side.
Robert and his partners believe in providing a better understanding of what to expect if you ever find yourself in a civil lawsuit. This should minimize anxiety.
We come up with the best strategy in an adversarial situation by reaching out in a non-adversarial way. We provide smart disclosures to the other side, including information that they may not be aware of that our client has, options that they may not be aware of that our client is willing to concede. That way, the other side can compare their possible outcomes with what our client expects to receive and to ensure that it's something that's fair to them. In an effort to protect the brands and the reputation of the people involved, we also take steps to make sure that we're not disclosing information, or if we do reach a settlement, that it can be confidential. And if there's credit reporting being done, we can negotiate how that credit reporting is done, what is said, and whether to stop credit reporting on it or even deleting the prior credit reporting, depending on the facts.
The goal is to avoid litigation and solve these issues through mediation.
It is just like negotiating a deal. Most litigation results in settlements, not trials. So the parties engage in settlement at some point. It may be court-ordered mediation, or it may be the initiative of one or both of the attorneys.
What's the end result? Compassionate and creative ways to resolve disputes.
Our firm doesn't believe in beating people up. It is an adversarial process by nature and by design, and that's designed to give both parties the opportunity to explain their side of the story.
For more information about the law offices of Vigh and Springer, visit svslawfirm.com or go to our website, thebalancing act.com.